we have Corona. Today we're making a no wrap brisket on the Masterbuilt 560. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm not going to show you how to trim it. There are a lot of videos on YouTube you can see for that, or how to season it. It's half and half salt and pepper. That's super easy. What I want to show you is the results. What does it look like to cook a brisket at 225 overnight on the Masterbuilt 560? Let's see if it turns out tender and juicy or not. We have coronavirus here in our house right now, and not only does my wife have it, we also have somebody else staying with us who has coronavirus, and she cannot go home to her house because her dad has a terminal liver disease and can't get the sickness. So she's staying with us. So what does that mean for us? We're making some brisket. Now, I'm not going to show you how I trim the brisket or season the brisket. It's super easy. It's salt and pepper. That's it. Salt and pepper, 50-50 mix, shake it all over it. Super easy. What I'm going to show you is something I've never done before, and that is a no wrap brisket on the Masterbuilt 560. Here it is. It's been cooking all night long. We've cooked it since midnight last night, and it is around 11 o'clock in the morning. So let's take a look and see how it looks. Oh yeah. One of the biggest mistakes people make when making brisket is they go by temperature, not by tenderness. So what you want to do is you want to use a meat thermometer or a probe like this. You're going to stick it in and see if it feels like butter. If it feels like butter when it goes in, like there's no resistance, it's done. If it has any kind of pull to it, it's not done yet, regardless of what the temperature is. I've had briskets that are done around the 195 range all the way up to 215. So you really got to check for tenderness, not temperature. Tenderness, not temperature. I'm going to check this one and see how we're doing right now. This one still has some resistance to it, so we're going to let it continue to cook and check it in just a little bit, and we'll give it a check about every 30 minutes or so and see how tender it is, and then we'll pull it, let it cool for about an hour, and then we'll slice it up and show you exactly what it looks like on a no wrap brisket. Alright, so we're going to see how the brisket turned out. That's delicious. I'll cut it right in half to start off with. Spread it out. And look. That is juicy. That is delicious. And that is a no wrap brisket. I'm going to cut a little piece off really quickly and just see how this turns out right here. Oh my goodness. That is... What is it? You go like this thing right here? Is that what you do? Oh! So good! Pulls apart. Oh. That's the best brisket I've ever tasted in my life. It's so good.
Come on! Just wood.
Highly recommend. You don't need to wrap. You can just It's amazing. No wrap. Juicy. Tender. There you go.
Watch that rocket ride.
Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a comment, subscribe. We'd love to hear from you, and I will respond to every single comment. Is that the best brisket you've ever had? Yeah. I don't know if you can see my son, but he said it was the best brisket he ever had. Can you jump up? Oh, there he is. There he is. Pop it up. Pop it up again. Do it again. Oh, there he is. All right.